first mills. In 2023, the year in which the company was listed in the Saudi exchange market, Tadawul as the first Saudi national milling company to be there, in the line with its theme, Dare to Grow. This theme, which reflects the company's ambitious objectives, vision and strategy. The company has seen unprecedented accomplishments in each of its operational and financial aspects, as the company has achieved its highest level of revenues in history. Revenues amounted to 964 million Saudi riyals, with an increase of 5.5%, and a net profit of 220 million Saudi riyals, with a margin of 22.8%. The company has 4 large-capacity milling factories covering the whole kingdom, with high daily production capacities that produce more than 50 products, provided for more than 7,500 clients, with a market share exceeding 30%. Many of the company's ambitious strategic objectives were achieved in our continuous journey towards becoming the first partner of choice in the food and feed sectors throughout the kingdom. We strive to be recognized as a reliable source of essential products for the community and the market by providing innovative, high-quality products that actively contribute to food availability and sustainability. We strive to lead the market, positioning the company as a top choice for secure and efficient investment, and continue to achieve our ambitious strategic objectives.